The EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater. Eco is the leader in tankless water heating and the best overall electric water heater. EcoSmart's patented self-modulating technology allows the electric tankless water heater to use the exact amount of energy to heat precisely the amount of water you need. You simply set it and forget it, then adjust as necessary. For optimal water heating, EcoSmart guarantees an impressive 2 gallons of hot water per minute for single or multiple applications. This energy-saving tankless water heater will save you up to 50% of the current water heating portion of your energy bill and is certified to be 99.8 energy efficient. Affordable, dependable, endless water on demand with a lifetime warranty on the electron, exchanger, and element parts. Labor and incidental damages to the system are not covered under EcoSmart's warranty, and no batteries are needed. Measuring 12 by 8 by 4 inches and weighing 6.5 pounds, the Eco 11 electric tankless water heater runs on a standard 220 volt and uses 13 kilowatts of electricity. All that technology is packed into a small, space-saving, wall-mounted system. Trust this tankless water heater that gives you one-touch digital control and perfect 80° to 140° Fahrenheit water temperatures each and every time. For the best performance, before considering this tankless wonder, EcoSmart recommends determining the home's inlet water temperature, numbers of simultaneous hot water applications, and your home's electrical infrastructure, including a diagram of the breaker panel. Now for some pros. Best overall for water on demand, superior technology, and amazing energy savings and efficiency. Now for a few cons. The system tends to trip circuit breakers, it requires professional installation, and it has leaks, sediment, and corrosion issues.